Hello everyone, it's Aisha. Today I will be presenting in-depth business analysis titled as Transforming Challenges into Opportunities, focusing on Alpha Squared, an innovative company operating at the intersection of software engineering, automation, and AI. Alpha Squared specializes in delivering cutting-edge solutions in software engineering, automation, and AI. They serve diverse industries including finance, healthcare, and retail. The company's primary goal is to enhance efficiency while scaling sustainability. The purpose of analysis was to examine alpha squared operations, identify inefficiencies and pain points, and use both qualitative and quantitative methods to develop sustainable, actionable recommendations. Moving towards methodological framework, we employed a variety of business analysis tools such as SWOT analysis, stakeholder interviews, process mapping, and surveys. Our research used a mixed method approach combining both qualitative and quantitative insights. So now, moving towards key themes of analysis. Our findings focus on four key areas: operational efficiency, stakeholder engagement, scalability, and marketing positioning, and the company's technological infrastructure. So, let's talk about what were the challenges in the operational efficiencies. So, in operational inefficiencies become clear. There has been like 20% increase in project delays. Developers are spending nearly a third of their time debugging. Task allocations lack consistency and the overall project lifecycle is not being executed effectively. So, what would be the recommendations for these inefficiencies? So the operational recommendations is to improve this. We recommend adopting agile methodologies for flexibility, introducing automated testing, clarifying team roles, redesigning approval processes, fostering continuous feedback, and encouraging cross-training among team members. Now, what are the challenges they are facing in regard of stakeholder engagement? So, the client retention has dropped by 12%. Clients are dissatisfied with infrequent updates and poor collaboration across departments is contributing to delays. So now, what could be the engagement strategies or recommendations? So to address the stakeholder problems, we propose implementing a CRM system, creating real-time feedback loops, and conducting cross-functional workshops to boost communication and client satisfaction. Now, the third one is the scalability challenges. Scalability is another issue for Alpha Squared that has limited global reach, relies on manual deployments, and faces high customer acquisition cost. So, what we need to offer them for the recommendation, we recommended them growth strategy. To overcome this scalability challenge, we suggest forming partnerships with global tech firms, automating deployment pipelines, using DevOps, and launching data-driven marketing campaigns. The other one is the technological infrastructure. Three major tech challenges include outdated legacy systems, reliance on-premises infrastructure, and security vulnerabilities. These factors limit flexibility and innovation for Alpha Square. So for this, first we need to research techniques. We use interviews, surveys, observational studies, and workshops to uncover bottlenecks and inefficiencies within the company's workflow. The other was the process delays insight. Multiple approval layers cause bottlenecks. Task distribution is uneven, onboarding is manual, and delivery delays directly impact timelines and client satisfaction. So, for this, we need to focus on survey highlights. 70% of employees identify task inefficiencies. 45% of clients were unhappy with the communication, and the net promoter score was lower than expected. So, moving towards the SWOT analysis. Here's the SWOT snapshot. Strengths include AI expertise and strong talent. Weaknesses include outdated infrastructure and high marketing cost. Opportunities lie in cloud adoption, while threats include agile competitors. Now, what are the strategic pain points for Alpha Squid? The strategic pain points include limited scalability, costly marketing with low returns, workflow bottlenecks, and communication gaps with clients. What are the missed opportunities for Alpha Squid? The key missed opportunities: no AI DevOps integration, lack of global expansion, over dependence on one region for revenue, and setbacks in innovation and customer retention. Now, let's have a look on the challenges and opportunities. By addressing internal inefficiencies, improving retention, modernizing infrastructure, expanding the market, automating operations, and adopting AI, Alpha Squad can unlock substantial growth. Now, what could be the ethical safeguards for doing all of this? So, throughout our research, we ensured ethical practices, data privacy, voluntary anonymous surveys, and strict confidentiality of internal documents. Now, let's transform the future impact. With the shift towards agile transformation and intelligent automation, Alpha Square can embrace innovation while scaling efficiency and ethically. Now, what could be the research approach? Our research approach focuses on three areas: interviews to extract pain points, process mapping to visualize bottlenecks, and surveys to quantify satisfaction. Now, the employee survey insights. Key employee feedback included the need for better tracking tools, issues with manual testing, bottlenecks in approvals, unclear assignments, and redundant work. Now, what would be the results of the client survey insights? Clients were dissatisfied with update frequency, felt misalignment in outcomes, and experienced low technical responses impacting project timelines. So, what were the proposed solutions? Our solution matrix pairs key challenges with practical solutions and their impact, ranging from agile and DevOps adoption to client migration and CRM deployment. Now, the task blockers insights. 63% of employees cited task ambiguity, and 78% said debugging consumed too much time, highlighting the urgency of processes, clarity, and automation. The data-driven justification. 70% reported workflows delayed, 45% of clients showed frustration, and 30% of marketing spend yielded poor returns, further validating the need for a strategic overhaul. Now, what would be the risk management plan? To manage risk, we recommend early stakeholder involvement, skill-based training, regular alignment meetings, and structured feedback loops. Now, moving towards the conclusion. In conclusion, the key benefits of this transformation include stronger client engagement, improved cost efficiency, reliable feedback mechanisms, and robust training programs. Now, what could be the change management strategy? Change must be supported through transparent communication because communication is the key. Early departmental involvement and continuous training for seamless tool adoption. Now, moving towards the transformation readiness. Alpha Squad is poised for agile transformation, improved client loyalty, reduced costs, faster project delivery, and successful market expansion. This was all about how we can transform the challenges into opportunities for Alpha Squad. Thank you for your attention. We value our collaboration with Alpha Squad and remain committed to driving their future success. Have a good day.